those of you out there who are fans of Rice Killer on Facebook will remember I said something about stinky diesels. You might remember I made that update earlier. Well, the diesels heard that message and they said, oh yeah, you want stinky? We'll show you some stinky. We're bringing out the badass of diesels, the King Kong of diesels, the Power Service Diesel Additives drag car. Fastest time of the night today, 5.2. That's the fastest time. It was done by a rear engine dragster. This may not technically be a funny car, but I think some people might consider it a funny car. The amount of power you can make through a boosted diesel is absolutely incredible, and I have a feeling we're going to get a display of that right here. All eyes on the right lane. Diesel-powered drag car. Power Service Diesel Additives.